3-in-1 kit. As we mentioned earlier, this is for bicuspid and this is for molars. Bicuspids are 7mm in diameter medial-distally, and we have a Lindemann drill, which is a side cutting drill. And we also have 6 different diameter, which are hollow bone collecting drill. Because implants are dictated by prosthetic position, I like to use 3-in-1 kit to position myself. In addition, I want to be able to collect bone, and I want to skip unnecessary osteotomy steps. So first exercise we will do is, we will collect autogenous bone using the 3-in-1 kit. Just pretend that I am placing a molar. This is 7mm length if you do this. If you place, this one is 13mm length. This is the actual length of the drill. If you are placing 10mm implant, you have to drill 11.5mm. You have to add 1.5mm to it. Therefore, if I am placing 10mm molar, I will use molar and 11.5mm stuff. Very, very important. I like to use this at 1000 RPM. You see how much autogenous bone we can collect? I mean, this is like American Express. Money cannot buy this. So I want you guys to try this. Collecting the bone. Look at how much bone I can get. So I take a little vial and see how much autogenous bone I can collect. So the first exercise, you could do right here, is to collect autogenous bone.